Hello everyone. In last tutorial we had discussed how to choose any file from mobile using Android built-in file chooser. So if you didn't watch the previous tutorial, let's watch it before because this tutorial is associated with it. In this tutorial we will learn how to extract text from PDF file in Android Studio. We will extract the text or content from a file using iText PDF library. It's very easy to extract text using this library, and this is open source and free to use. So let's get started in step 1. Go to your Gradle files and add this library iText PDF library or dependency to your project. So let's add implement com dot. After adding this library or dependency, let's sync the project. After successful adding this library, go to your activity XML and add a text view or edit text for displaying the content of your file. So let's add a edit text. Name it so go to your Java, write a code to extract text from your file. A URI parameter we will pass to this function. So we just pass the path or URI of particular file to this function, and after that this function will continue to extract the text from this file. First of all, we will create input stream object and give the context where we want to use. As you know, the path is coming to us in the form of content, so we will use content resolver to get the actual result. In open input stream, we will pass the URI coming as a parameter. Here this will show an exception, so we will add in our try catch block. After that, we will create a variable of type string and initialize it with null value or empty value. After that, we will create a string builder object for concatenating the content extracted from PDF. After that, we will create another object of PDF reader. This PDF reader help us to extract the text from file. And we will initialize it with null value. So here again we will add a new try catch block for handling exception. As you know, we are working with file system, so I am going to catch the input output exception here or handle input output exception. Here we will initialize reader with new PDF reader object, and here we will pass input reader, input stream. Here this is showing an error, so I am going to make this object as global. And this is showing some kind of exception. Sorry, I use PDF render, I have to use PDF reader, and same like here. So our error is gone. One thing also remember, this input stream is only working above the lollipop. Prior to lollipop this is not working, so we also have to add these restrictions in the. First of all, we will create a variable for counting the number of pages of a file. Reader dot get number of pages, so we get the pages in pages variable, and here we will run loop for extracting the text from all pages. File, as you know, file content variable already created, so here we will use a PDF text extractor class. PDF text extractor class name get text pages. So here we will add a reader object and I. After that, we will append everything in this file content with string file builder object. So builder dot append file content. So after concatenating or appending reader, we have to close the reader. So now we will create the object of edit text and append or show the text to this particular edit text. One thing you need to remember, maybe your file size might be possible too large, so extract the text from your file on another thread. So here we will create a new thread where we will run this code. In this exception, you can write or show any toast or log message. Run on UI thread here. So add this line to run on UI thread. That's it. Now let's run our code. Let's run the emulator where we will choose the file first and then show the path, and after that we will extract the text from those particular file. One thing I forgot to call this method. We will call this method here, where we will getting the result data dot get data. So let's choose the file. Oh, one thing I'm missing. First, we have to add a permission: read and write. Read external storage and write external storage. I am going to add this permission as a manually. Let's build the code first. So code is running and built successfully. Now add the storage permission. From here, our code is completed. Now let's run. If you feel any confusion or error, please write down in comment below. I will respond you immediately. So let's run. If we use permission, so let's choose the file from emulator. So this extract the file from our PDF file. That's it. So in next video we will learn how to extract text from Word file, and after that we will learn how to extract text from TXT file. So let's stay connected.